Oh man, I'm so ready to play with my toys. Right, okay, who should I choose? McQueen, Chick Hicks? McQueen, Chick Hicks. McQueen, Chick Hicks. I'm gonna sit down and think about it. Who should I choose? What? Who could that be? Hello? What's that? I wonder what's inside this box. I hope it's my new fidget toys. Whoa! There are my new fidget toys. Got a fidget spinners, and I got a fidget cube. I'm gonna be rich. Oh, I might sell them back. Who cares? At least I did well on getting my mystery crate fidget spinners. Let's get them out.
Oh, so bored today. Well, I guess I'll take a nap. Spaghetti. Ravioli.
Mario! Oh, what do you want, Tuna Pants? Mario, is Splatoon 2 out yet? By the way, why is there a saw outside?
That's just annoying me. By the way, Splatoon 2 doesn't come out until Bradley's birthday. Happy birthday, Bradley.
Well, is that the 21st of July?
Yes, check the totem calendar.
Oh, hello, Eric Dyer. Oh, wait, it's May, the 15th. That's Connor's birthday. Happy birthday, Connor.
Tuna Pants, you're so stupid. Splatoon 2 doesn't come out until the 21st of July. And today is, I believe it's the 22nd of June.
Oh. Oh, hello, Deli Alley.
Oh, change that later.
Okay. That's a good idea.
But for now, let's just lay down and watch some TV.
Okay.
Go and get the remote. Hey Mario, you about to watch TV? Yes, Luigi. You want to come and join in? Okay.
Mario, I'm back with the remote.
Okie dokie. Let's see what's on TV.
Thank you, everybody. Thank you. Today, you're going to be hearing a loud saw everywhere you go. Well, technically only for today, but it's going to be quite annoying. So yeah, that's today's breaking news. See you tomorrow at 20 o'clock. That's not even a real time. Oh well. See you later. See you tomorrow, other people. And good night.
What? There's a weird noise everywhere? Oh wait, it stopped. But oh my gosh, Luigi, did you hear that? A weird noise? I know, Mario, I'm so scared.
Hi guys, what you doing?
Oh, hi, Rolly. But there's a weird noise everywhere.
Oh my gosh, that's so scary. What are we gonna do? We should try and stop it.
Good idea. Let's try and stop the prank. I know it is. Yeah, probably is.
I think it is.
Me too. But oh wait, guys, look. Them two girls are on.
What? The Squid Sisters?
Oh my gosh, my favourite girl band! Hello, Squids and Kids. Today we are going to be talking about how the Mario Bros. Think about the prank we did. Yes, the weird noises. Yep, they aren't real. They're just fake. It was just a test. Anyways, Mario, Luigi, what do you think?
We know it was fake. Me too.
Me three.
Me four.
That's right, guys. They think it's fake. Anyways, until next time, stay fresh. Yeah, stay fresh. Woo! Oh man, this fidget spinner is so cool. I need to go and show my dad this. Dad!
Oh boy, I love this song. It's so cool. Oh my gosh. Where's Junior? That little brat. Oh, he still owes me money for yesterday.
Dad!
Oh, what do you want, Junior?
Could I please show you something?
What is it?
I got a fidget spinner.
So?
What do you think now? Huh? What do you think?
Well, I'm listening to my new favourite song, Tito Come Outside. by Super Mario Logan and Tito Jimenez. Anyways, see you later, Junior.
Okay. Bye.
When will I ever get a break?